Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to turn off the Samsung Galaxy A51 without the touch screen. So actually, it's very easy. At first you have to have a cable and plug it USB type A to type C, of course, which is here type C, and type A, which is this normal, and plug the cable into your PC. Then this USB type C plug to your phone when it's turned on. I mean, we have no other choice when it's turned on or off. So now we have to hold the volume down button and power button until the screen goes off. When the screen goes off, we have to quickly change the volume down to volume up. We can jump actually from the buttons and lower the pressure per moment on each button. As you can see, now we have the Android recovery screen, and we are 10 clicks away from powering off our device. So now click 10 times the volume down button, and I'm telling 10 times and saying 10 times for those who have the screen completely shuttered or they don't see anything like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Power off. Now click the power button to confirm the powering of your device. And actually that's it for this video. I hope I have rescued your phone. That's it. I hope it helps you, and goodbye.